Hello and welcome. This is Roy. As we are seeing gold coming back to life, I thought that you would appreciate me sharing with you some very interesting analysis that I've carried out here for my subscribers today. So this is an unusual clip. It contains several charts that are of scale that could project a move for many weeks that you can take advantage of. I'm doing that because I would like to show you the kind of analysis that I do also during the week for my subscribers, and hopefully maybe convince you to give a try to my service so that you can see that for yourself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Other than that, I am convinced that you will enjoy the clip. All the best. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. While this time I will start with the usual sequence, I would like to make a comment here concerning the strength that we have seen in the stock market. There is no doubt that the bear got quite a knock. It's not completely out of question to see the bear coming back in force, but there is definitely some serious rallies that we have to consider within the bearish context and see how far they likely projecting. But we do have another sector that is coming to life, that is giving some very interesting opportunities that I am going to share with you. So if you are interested in mining stocks, gold, silver, for long-term investments, I have some really interesting situations to share with you that will be more towards the end of the video. And here's the list of charts. I've got the Euro US dollar, the Euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, TYX, Dow Transportation Average, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, the S&P 100, that's the OX, the DAX, IBEX 35 for Spain, the Hang Seng, the Chinese Securities Index. And here are four opportunities that look very interesting. One is Silver Wheaton, Agnico Eagle, Silver Standard, and Kinross Gold. They're all quoted in the US. Okay, as I said, we will just... Okay, now we come to see the mining stocks. And I've got to tell you, there is an opportunity here. Do what you like, but if you decide to pick one of these stocks, I think you're going to be happy. There is definite move here. I think that is likely to be with us for a few weeks. There are so many reasons, so many explanations why gold can go up, you can spend days just reading about all sorts of reports. At the end of the day is sentiment, and it is supply demand, and truly I think it's the sentiment is the fundamental driving force. And I think that the market is telling us here, that's the Silver Wheaton chart monthly, is telling us that we have surged to go lower here for several months. But the market now decided to turn up. You can see what it's doing. It's breaking above descending line that kept the market for over a year. It broke through, and we have nice turning around here of the MACD. And in short, I think this market is heading high. See the support here of the last 3 years. This zone of support. Why not believe what you see? This is the break. You can see, and it's taking place as I'm talking to you. This is a weekly scale. Okay, so it can be a 1-2, it can be an AB. Whichever way you take it, I think there is good chance it's running towards 29, which is the resistance, comes up here. And you can see we have massive divergence on the weekly. Massive divergence, I mean pretty serious divergence. You can see the line here, and you can see where it is. There is a long way to go. Just this would be already very good reward for someone who enters a position here. Here's the daily, and that's how things look like. And here's the inverse head and shoulders, just one of so many indications that this market really is preparing for a nice run here. So that's one opportunity. The symbol is SLW. It's up to you what you want to do if you want to check it further. Here's another one. That's Agnico Eagle. It's AEM. Okay, Anglican Eagle Mines monthly. You have an A, you have a B, you have a C. That looks like an ABC. A, B, C, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, feasible. Spent so much time here, and you can see that the MACD is also turning up, and I think we have a divergence as well on the monthly. I have a more acute divergence to show you in the last chart of this video that I'm really excited about. But also here it is definitely very interesting situation. It fell into a multi-year support. Do you see the support right here? Do you see that running through? We're going back to 2006 and maybe even earlier. I don't think my chart. No, right here. Do you see? And I think it is ready for some healthy rebound here. If this is indeed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete, it's obviously going to go a lot higher. Could really start a massive rally here. But for now, you can see it cleared. It cleared the overhead resistance here of the last. Look how many months. We're going back to April here. So it's closing the gap here. It's coming close to closing the gap, and it seems to me like there is more life into this one. Yes, there's definitely further upside. Okay, I'll show you here the silver standard, which is another very interesting situation. I mentioned this stock on a number of occasions, and I will not hide from you that along the way here, I actually invested, not huge sum, I invested, and my timing was not right, but I was not even thinking for 1 second to get rid of the stock. No, I just said to myself, sit tight, it's going to come back, and it's already 10. So I think I bought it slightly higher at around here, this level around here, and it's coming back. That's great. I did not add when it went down here. Quite frankly, I forgot about it. I forgot about this investment. But when things are coming back, they suddenly, your memory sort of refresh. Ah, yeah, I made an investment in this thing. Yeah, it's coming back. That's great. Okay, so that's an A, that's a B, that's a C. I've got here the monthly. It came back to the level that we have not seen since 2002 to 2003. Do you see? And obviously the company, if it's still around, yes, it's because it's doing some things right, and it's still alive. So here you are. That's the breakout. We have also here turning around here of the MACD on the monthly, and if we stick to the wave count, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could be complete. Take a look at the weekly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially complete. You see, run up back to 10. It runs above 10. I think next stop is going to be 16. That's going to see me in the green. To see my account in the green right here concerning this position. And that's looking good. What can I say? I think there is further upside. There is also nice push here coming out of the MACD on the weekly. Don't take it lightly. Look at the push. So we might see some consolidation. If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, might see a consolidation. For that's the daily now. Maybe coming back to settle around here. Yes, for a few days, and then look up. Now here's one of the most exciting opportunities that I've seen for quite some time. And the reason why I say that is because of this. This is a massive divergence on a monthly scale, something that you really don't see very often. And the extent of the power, I mean the power that is being projected from the or rather the power that is being stored, if you like, by this pattern here is just defies words. First of all, do you see the divergence? Yeah, do you see the clear divergence here? Yeah, that's very clear. It extends over 2-3 years, and you see the massive breakout here over the line that is created by the MACD itself, by the action of the MACD. And look at the break. Now, this may look like nothing to you. You think, oh, well, what is he getting excited about? But I think that this is an incredibly powerful statement that this stock just can't wait to rally. It went back to the levels of 2002. Well, this is one of the largest corporations, biggest mining um, operations taking place with this company. There is something happening here. We have an A, we have a B, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we've got a lot of elements telling us buy, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to, sink big amount here, but I'm going to start buying because I think that there is excellent prospect, absolutely excellent. I'm showing you the MACD on the monthly. The MACD on all aspects is look at this, look at this. Where are we? It's way above this level. There is a MACD support here in every corner that you look, and okay, so this is 3, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is even a terminal triangle right here. Do you see the terminal triangle? Yes, with a drop of the volume over the last several months. I hope this is clear. It's another element. You see drop in volume over the last 8 months or so, and selling dried out. Selling dried out. The market hit the floor for so many months. I guess so many people got fed up. They just dumped the stock, and here you are. That's the breakout. This is the 30 moving average. 30 moving average. That is the 50. And I think we have something at hand here. You do what you like, but I think this is really good opportunity. This is the daily. You can see a statement by the market where it wants to go. We haven't seen such a thing for a long time. There was a jump here one day, but the risk that you're running, in my opinion, getting in here is that it will meet a very powerful selling force that would keep it down, and your money will basically lie dormant if you can afford it for quite some time. I don't think for 5 years, but maybe for 6 months. It might hang around here. Yeah, you might not get this flashy rally that I'm expecting. That's the risk. I don't think it'll go bankrupt. I think it's a good investment. Study the situation, see what you think. I think I'm going to invest some money here. It looks very good. As I said, there are many elements here. Look at this inverse head and shoulders just in the last 3 months. So if it comes back correcting in this manner, that's something you want to consider. Then we go into the next inverse head and shoulders. Do you see that? Another one. In short, there are plenty of things moving around here. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.